students, let's proceed with exercise 15.1 of chapter 15, question number 2. Again, a very simple one. 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data was recorded. So there were 1500 families selected wherein each family had 2 children. Okay, so the kind of family that we chose was of every family had 2 children, and this is the data that was recorded in a tabular format. So there were 475 such families that had 2 girls. So that means both the children were girls. There were 814 such families where the number of girl child was 1, and there were 211 such families where the number of girl child was 0. So the total number of families selected is 1500. If you add this plus this plus this, you are going to get 1500. So out of these are 1500 families with having 2 children. Okay. Now we need to compute the probability of family chosen at random with 2 girls, 1 girl and no girl, and also we need to check if the sum of the probabilities is 1. So how do we do this? See, we need to check the probability of the family chosen. So we are going to take in the numerator the number, the number of families, right? Because this is probability of family. Whenever we need to find a probability of something, we are going to take its number in the numerator and the actual count in the denominator, which is 1500. So the total number of families that are there is 1500, and family with 2 girls we have 475. So this would be 475 upon 1500. Then 1 girl, it would be 814 upon 1500, and finally we will have no girl 0 upon 211 upon 1500, and then we will check if the sum of the probabilities is 1. So let's proceed. I'll say total number of families is equal to 1500. Let's mark this as 1. So the first one now, number of families with 2 girls is equal to 475. Let's mark this as 2. So probability of families with 2 girls is going to be equation 2 divided by equation 1, which is going to be 475 by 1500. So I'm just going to do this calculation at this side, just so that our work is a little neat. So 475 upon 1500, let's cancel. 5 3s are 15 and 0 0. 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 6s are 30 and 5 1s are 5. 5 9s are 45. So you get 19 upon 60. This won't really cancel further, so let's leave this in the fraction form. This is going to be 19 upon 60. Let's mark this as small Roman number 1. Okay. Let's proceed with the second one. The probability of number of families with only 1 girl, this count is 814. So let's write down number of families with 1 girl is equal to 814. Let's mark this as 3. Therefore, probability with 1 girl is going to be 3, equation 3 divided by equation 1, which is 814 upon 1500. So let's check 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So 814 upon 1500. Let me cancel by 2 for the starting. So 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 7s are 14. So 407 and 750. So we'll keep it as it is. 407 upon 750. Let's mark this as equation number 2, small Roman number 2. And finally, the probability with no girls in the family. So this count, families with having no girl child, is the number of families is 211. So we are going to take this number number of families with no girl is going to be 211. Let's mark this as 4. Right? Therefore, probability of no girl is going to be equation 4 divided by equation 1, which is 211 upon 1500. Let's mark this as 3 because we cannot really cancel it further. So these are the answers out here to your sub questions 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to check if the sum of the probabilities is 1. That means we'll have to take the sum of all the solutions here. But if you see, they have varying denominators, right? So instead of taking each of these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ones which have common denominator 1500. So our calculation will become much more simpler, right? So let's check. Checking sum of probabilities of 1, 2 and 3. What do we get? We get 475 upon 1500. Please note that I am taking this value and not this solution value. Why? Because here we have the denominator as 60, here it is 750 and here it is 1500. So we would have to go through finding the LCM. Instead, we can just go one step backwards and take the ones that have the common denominator as 1500, so that we do not have to find the LCM, right? So 475 upon 1500 plus 814 upon 1500 plus 211 upon 1500. Now since they have common denominators, I am going to put the numbers in the numerator together under one common denominator, which is 1500. So let's calculate 475 plus 814 plus 211. So this is 10, then you get 7, 8, 9, 10, then 8, 9, 10 and 15. So this is equal to 1500 upon 1500. So ones and ones. This is equal to 1. So I'll say yes. The sum of probabilities is 1. So please take a look at the solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.